Assalamu alaikum and a good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of Technology Incubation Center focal person and the organizer of this first international conference, I'm glad to be standing here to express my vote of thanks. A special thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Tanzila Habiba, Special Assistant to CM, Information Science and Technology. Guest of honor, Professor Dr. Nusrat Shah, Vice Chancellor Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, Medical University, Larkana. Our Honorable Worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Meritorious Mohammad Siddiq Kaloro Saab. Our special guest from Lahore, especially I humble and thanks Mrs. Sadaf Abed, Founder Circle, various deans, faculties, directors, and various HOD chairmen, guests, our sponsor, dear students and various female artisans who present their work, who join us today to present their work. Organizations like Stavita, SRSO, Women Chamber of Commerce, Sindh Tech Valley, LMKT, Jantech, especially Ms. Shami, she is here, and she is our keynote speaker also. NIC Hyderabad, NIC Karachi delegates, NIC Peshawar, tomorrow they are arrive here. National Bank, Handicrafts Association Pakistan, NGOs and founder of startups, delegates from abroad for accepting our invitation and for being here with us today. We are convinced that women entrepreneurs can drive economic growth, but only if they are enabled to realize their rights if we work in partnership with academia, business, government, and civil society to improve their opportunities and outcome in global value chain. And this is what this conference is aimed to connect all the stakeholders in today's event. Women economic empowerment is one of the world's most promising area of investment, biggest emerging markets, talent pools, and demographic divides to be tapped. In the end, I just want to recite one poem for the female entrepreneurs who are here, my dear students. I am a female entrepreneur, a woman, a fighter. My pronoun is her. This message to you, if you would care to know, in my story to encourage you to step in and go. If you think with your head and listen to your heart, I promise you will get off to a flying start. Take risks, stay focused, and you will start to progress. Remember, innovation is an endless quest. They will say it impossible. They will say, hey, don't shout, but you must carry on. No hesitation, no doubt. Always dream big, always let patience shine. If you don't dare to chance, you won't end up with the dime. Make hold moves, but always play fair. Say please and thank you. Don't you know it's cool to care? Take flying leaps straight into the unknown. Create, learn, and listen. This will make you to grow, which I always say. Do what you love and love what you do. This advice from me is nothing new. Try to see the bigger picture and believe in yourself. Me, I learned. I contribute to something bigger than myself. Stop worrying about whether your business will be a hit. Rise to the challenge and say, let's do it. I am a female entrepreneur, a woman, a fighter. My pronoun is her. Finally, I would like to thank and especially big claps to all of you that you are today here. We are the women, we are the achievers, and we are the givers and the want to be a fly on the sky. And one word I always say, think always like is on a sky. The sky is a bigger as you are rise on shine. So finally, I thank our Vice Chancellor and Dean Faculty of Engineering and our delegates. They actually believing on us, supporting and guiding. And especially, thanks to all the audience, they believe on us. Thank you very much. And then we are here for the 2 days. Thank you once again.